You are a PM in the PMO department. You are currently working on a project for different department. As part of this project, you are gathering suggestions for improving the policies of the organization. Okay, which process are you currently performing? Very good questions. Let's read that again. You are currently working on a project for a different department. As a part of your project, you are gathering suggestions for improving the policies of the organization as an overall. Okay, which process are you currently following? So A, manage communications, B, monitor communications, C, manage stakeholder engagement, and D, close project or phase. So, honestly, when you're working about something like, organization policies and stuff, it doesn't look like that, you're trying to manage any communication or control any communication, or, you're trying to engage your stakeholders. But it looks like that you're trying to close your project or phase by gathering suggestions from someone, like, which is impacting the entire project and your entire organization. So the correct choice is answer D. Refer to page number 123 of PMBOK 6th edition. Thank you.